Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of one of Africa's most intriguing predators, the African wild dog. Often misunderstood and misrepresented, these remarkable creatures, with their vibrant mottled coats and soulful eyes, possess a complex social structure and a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Join us as we journey across the African plains, seeking a deeper understanding of these fascinating canids. The African wild dog is a highly social animal, living in packs that can range in size from just a few individuals to over 20. Unlike many other canine species, there is a remarkable lack of aggression within these packs. They operate as a cohesive unit, with each member playing a crucial role in the survival of the group. At the heart of every pack is the alpha pair, the dominant male and female responsible for breeding. The alpha female takes the lead in choosing a den site, often utilizing abandoned burrows to protect her vulnerable pups. The bonds within a pack extend beyond immediate family ties, with all members contributing to the care and upbringing of the young. This cooperative approach extends to their hunting strategies. Working together, they coordinate their movements, driving prey towards waiting pack members. Their social interactions are a sight to behold, a symphony of whines, chirps, and playful nips. From greeting ceremonies to cooperative pup rearing, their lives are a testament to the power of community. The African wild dog's scientific name, Lycaon pictus, offers a glimpse into its unique appearance and ancient lineage. Lycaon, derived from the Greek language, links these animals to a mythical king of Arcadia, known for his ferocity and transformation into a wolf. The second part of their name, pictus, is Latin for painted, a fitting tribute to their most striking feature, their beautifully mottled coats. No two wild dogs share the same pattern, a kaleidoscope of black, brown, yellow, and white patches that provide effective camouflage in the dappled light of their woodland and savanna habitats. This unique patterning is not merely decorative, it serves as a form of individual identification within the pack, allowing for easy recognition during hunts or social interactions. Their scientific name encapsulates both their predatory prowess and their remarkable visual distinctiveness. The African wild dog is a highly efficient hunting machine honed by evolution to become a master of its environment. Their success rate is unmatched in the African savanna, often exceeding that of lions and leopards. Their slender bodies, long legs, and incredible stamina allow them to pursue prey over long distances. Unlike other predators, wild dogs employ a strategy of endurance, transforming hunts into extended chases. Communicating through high-pitched whistles and chirps, they coordinate their movements with precision. Once the prey is exhausted, the pack moves in for the kill, their sharp teeth making short work of their quarry. Despite their efficiency, African wild dogs are not driven by bloodlust. In the animal kingdom, camouflage often dictates coloration, but the African wild dog seems to have thrown out the rulebook. Their coats are a riot of color, a patchwork of black, yellow, brown, and white splashed across their fur like an abstract painting. What's truly remarkable is that no two patterns are alike. Each individual boasts its own unique design, a fingerprint of individuality in a world of stripes and spots. These patterns are not random, they are thought to be inherited from their parents, a genetic tapestry passed down through generations. These patterns serve as vital identification tools within the pack, allowing for easy recognition during hunts or social interactions. The diversity of their coats reflects the diversity of their personalities. Their unique coats are a celebration of individuality, a reminder that even within a closely knit group, each individual is special and irreplaceable. The African savanna is a symphony of sounds. The rustle of leaves, the chirping of insects, the roar of lions. Amidst this cacophony, the African wild dog has developed a complex and nuanced language of its own, a symphony of whistles, chirps, and chattering calls. These vocalizations are not merely random noises, they are carefully crafted messages that convey a wealth of information. A high-pitched whistle might signal the presence of danger, while a series of chirps could indicate the location of prey. Their communication extends beyond vocalizations. Body language plays an equally important role in their social interactions. A playful nip on the ear, a tail wag, a submissive posture. These subtle cues help to maintain the social harmony within the pack. Before embarking on a hunt, the pack engages in a fascinating ritual known as a rally. This energetic display involves a cacophony of vocalizations, tail wags, and playful interactions, strengthening the bonds between pack members and building anticipation for the hunt. The African wild dog, once a common sight across the savannas and woodlands of Africa, is now facing an uncertain future. Their numbers have dwindled drastically in recent decades, their very existence threatened by a multitude of human-induced challenges. Habitat loss is perhaps the most pressing threat. As human populations expand and agricultural land encroaches on their once vast territories, wild dogs are finding themselves confined to ever-shrinking pockets of suitable habitat. This fragmentation not only limits their access to prey, but also increases the risk of conflict with humans. Disease, particularly canine distemper and rabies, poses another significant threat. These diseases can spread rapidly through wild dog populations, leading to devastating outbreaks. The close social bonds that make these animals so successful also make them particularly vulnerable to disease transmission. Human-wildlife conflict is another major concern. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect remaining populations, establish safe havens, and mitigate human-wildlife conflict. The African wild dog, often perceived as a ruthless predator, plays a vital and often underappreciated role in maintaining the delicate balance of its ecosystem. As apex predators, they sit atop the food chain, their presence shaping the dynamics of the entire ecosystem. Their hunting activities help to regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. By targeting weaker or diseased individuals, they help to maintain the genetic fitness of their prey species. Their presence also has cascading effects on other predators. Lions, for example, often steal kills from wild dogs, a behavior known as kleptoparasitism. While this might seem detrimental to the dogs, it actually benefits the ecosystem by providing food for scavengers like vultures and hyenas. Their abandoned dens provide shelter for a variety of other animals, including snakes, mongooses, and even smaller carnivores. The African wild dog is a keystone species, its presence essential for the health and stability of the entire ecosystem. The survival of the African wild dog hinges on its ability to reproduce. With strong social bonds, they have a fascinating breeding strategy. Typically, only the alpha male and female breed, ensuring the pack's resources focus on a single litter. The alpha female chooses a den site, often using abandoned burrows or termite mounds for protection. The entire pack helps raise the pups, bringing food and regurgitating meat for them. Multiple adults contribute to their care, ensuring the pups are well fed, protected, and socialized. This cooperative approach is crucial for the pup's survival and showcases their social intelligence. The African wild dog might not be the largest predator on the savanna, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in speed and stamina. These remarkable canids are built for endurance, their lean bodies and long legs allowing them to cover vast distances with remarkable efficiency. During a hunt, they can reach speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, their powerful legs propelling them across the savanna in a blur of motion. But it's not just their top speed that's impressive, it's their ability to maintain a relentless pace for extended periods, wearing down their prey with dogged determination. Their hunts are often described as marathons, not sprints. They'll pursue their prey for miles, their stamina exceeding that of their quarry. Their slender bodies and long legs are perfectly adapted for running, allowing them to move swiftly through tall grass and navigate uneven terrain with ease. Their speed and stamina are not merely tools for hunting. They are essential for survival in a harsh and unforgiving environment. The African wild dog, despite its endangered status, remains an enigma, its life shrouded in mystery. But as we delve deeper into their world, we uncover a treasure trove of fascinating and often surprising facts. Did you know, for instance, that African wild dogs are incredibly efficient eaters? They consume their prey quickly and thoroughly, leaving little behind for scavengers. This not only minimizes competition for food, but also reduces the risk of attracting larger predators. And while most canids are known for their barking, African wild dogs rarely bark. Instead, they communicate through a complex system of whistles, chirps, and chattering calls, their vocalizations as unique as their coat patterns. Another surprising fact is their remarkable tolerance for other pack members. Unlike many other social animals where aggression and dominance hierarchies are common, wild dogs exhibit a remarkable level of egalitarianism. They share food readily, even with non-related individuals, and disputes are often settled without resorting to violence. Their social intelligence is also remarkable, engaging in complex greeting ceremonies, reaffirming their social bonds, and sharing information about food sources or potential threats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about African wild dogs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wildlife content. See you next time.